sometimes you go to Goodwill and you find some good things like this, like a APC UPS for $7.99, and most of the time all these need are a battery, and usually you can get a replacement for about 20-30 bucks, and for about what, $27 to $37 you got a fully restored UPS that you can use for whatever it is you need to use it for. In my case, I need to use it for like I'm using it for my I have a Synology NAS, and this particular model has a USB data port right here, and you can plug that in so that whenever you do have an event of a power outage, you can have the UPS signal the Synology to shut down. And I'm hoping that's what my goal is. These things usually run about 80 to 90 bucks, maybe even 100, brand new. So let's see if I can get one restored for about 40 bucks. So these are actually a little easier than some of the other ones I've done. Battery doors right on the back. It's popped right out. So you got your positive and your negative terminals here. Unplug those. It's got a caliper here in case you run into having to get a replacement for one of these. I'm gonna give you the dimensions right here. So I don't know if you can see that, but length is about 150, width is about 50, height is about, and I'll put all these measurements on the screen, about 95. So I ordered a brand new one from eBay. Here's the replacement. Kind of stack it up and see. About the same size. Yeah, I think that'll work. So let's give it a shot here. So all you gotta do is take the protective cover off first, and just match up the cables. So black to negative. Well, there you go. So negative, we got positive. Just throw it back in. See what happens. Let's use the weight of the battery to help us out here. Yeah. Seems like it's gonna fit pretty good. Plug it in. Turn it on. Yeah. Before it was yelling. Here looks like it started charging. And I'm gonna let it charge overnight and we'll see. There you go. Before it was just flashing red, and I guess I should have filmed that, and it was beeping and you had to silence it, and you couldn't really do anything, but it's taking the charge now. And yeah, I'll put a link in the description where I bought the battery. So if you find yourself with this particular model of UPS from APC, so back UPS 650, let's see, model number is BN650M1. It's right here. So yeah. So if you find a cheap UPS at Goodwill and you're willing to just take the old battery out, put a new battery in, find yourself with a fully functional UPS for like 30-40 bucks. All right. Thank you for watching, and until next time.